These are some Carrier Performance Series heat pumps at a commercial property. Just waiting for them to turn them on. Yep. Yeah, I'll go film those too. Very quiet. And I do not know if this is a two-stage compressor fan motor, like my friend's Bryant, for example, has a two-stage or two-speed compressor, and I think it has a two-speed fan motor. I don't know if this is a single-stage scroll or not, or if it has a two-speed air handler. And the building is entirely electric. No gas, no oil heat, it's all electric. And this is I'd like to say either a 3-ton or... Yeah, I'd like to say either a 3 or a 3.5 ton. Because I see a 36 in the model number, and I also see a 30 in the model number. I think this might be a 3-ton. This one's not running right now. It is very, very humid today. It's running in cool mode, obviously. Looks similar to the Infinity series. And this one was manufactured in 2008. These are both from the 28th week of 2008. Disconnect boxes. Here's the reversing valve down there. It's got a compressor sound blanket. It's got I think that's the crankcase heater, not sure. I forget exactly what that thing right there is. Right down there. I assume this has a Copeland scroll compressor. I know some of the later Carriers had Copeland reciprocating, but I think this one probably has a Copeland scroll. Sounds like it has a Copeland scroll. And I'd say this is a, I don't know, 15 or 16 SEER. I thought this was like a 5-ton, but based on the model number, I'd say, you know what, I'll take a picture of it and send it out, get it deciphered later. And there are several more Carrier heat pumps over here. This entire complex seems to have Carrier heat pumps. There's a lot of birds back here. I just heard one fire up. Yeah, these are all Carrier Performance Series heat pumps from the same week in 2008. Well, this one's from the 27th week of 08, but that one over there is 28. Let's see what else we can find. I know I heard one fire up over here. Oh, this one looks like a... What the heck is that? Comfort Series? Yeah, this is a Comfort Series. This one's also a Performance Series. Let's see what year this one is. This one is from 2008, and you know what? I think this one's a 3 nominal ton as well. And this battery's about to die. Another Comfort Series over there. There's another one. Another smaller one, it looks like, back there. Don't feel like walking all the way back there, but there's one over there that looks like the same size as the one I just filmed, and then there's a slightly smaller one back there behind the bush. Right there. Alright, nice little unit, very quiet. Carrier. I still have the video of the York heat pump. As I film this, I still have the video of the York heat pump at Puck to upload. Is that still running? Yeah, that is. Very quiet. This is big for a 3-ton. And then there is another one over there. Another Comfort Series. Pretty much the same as this one, so, and it doesn't even seem to be running, so not much point in crawling through the bushes in my clothes to film it. Yeah, Carrier, Performance Series. All right. Filter dryer. Nice little service access panel right there. And of course, these all have the Puron refrigerant, R410A. I'm probably going to be coming back here a lot, so hopefully this winter, next winter, I'll be able to get a defrost video. Lines are nice and cold. There's another ant right there. Lots of ants crawling on this heat pump. Alright. Go back to the Comfort Series. I didn't even know that was back there. I thought these were all Performance Series. I have a friend who has a Comfort Series at her house from 2008, and that one just shut off. And now I think that one over there is running. One of those is running. But yeah, this one also has the insulated sound blanket for the compressor. The lines are nice and sweaty. There's the reversing valve. And this, I'm pretty sure, just has a single stage compressor. I think I read on the Carrier website that the Comfort Series is available with a 2-stage compressor, but I don't know if that's true or not. As far as I know, only the Infinity comes with a 2-stage compressor. Alright, only 17 seconds left. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. That one over there is actually a 3.5 ton, according to the serial number, or model number. 42,000 BTUs. So I remember reading somewhere that air conditioners in heat pumps with a seasonal energy efficiency ratio of 16 or higher are not available in half ton, meaning 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and so on. Just a text message. Checking my phone. Anyway, the 16 SEER and higher are not available in the 1.5 ton, 2.5 ton, and 3.5 ton, and so on. And oh, I didn't even notice that. There's more up there. Looks like another Carrier Performance Series and a York Affinity right there. Up on the roof. So yeah, this, based on that information, I'd say this is a 15 SEER or less. Probably a 15 SEER. And this one's also a 3.5 ton. The two over there are 3 ton. Alright, so again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Oh, there's a bunch of them up there. Looks like a Carrier, a York, and another Carrier. And there's another one. There's like 4 or 5 of them up there. All split system heat pumps. Didn't notice those before. Alright, out. There is yet another Carrier heat pump up on the roof that I did not notice. I am just getting text messages left and right today. Yeah, so I'm making HD video and taking high quality pictures of these units. So they'll be both in a video and in the next photo mashup. Yeah, there's only one up there. There's like a central courtyard in the middle of all the offices where the heat pumps are located. Alright, again, let me make sure there's no more heat pumps that I missed before I shut off the camera and start just taking the still photos. Alright, no more heat pumps, unless there's one back there. Yeah, there probably is one back there. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Okay, so I decided to come back here and take a look at the smaller unit. It is also a Carrier Performance Series heat pump, and it is 2 nominal tons, 24,000 BTUs. Nice little unit. Line set, Huron refrigerant, and this one is also from 2008. Yeah, all of the heat pumps, according to the serial numbers, are from 2008. So this had a fairly recent air conditioning rehab, I guess you could say. Here is another 3 nominal ton Performance Series heat pump. And there's the Comfort Series and another Performance Series over there. There's one of the roof-mounted units way up there, also a Performance Series. I don't know what year this building was built. I'd say 80s or 90s. And I guess they just replaced all the air conditioning and heating stuff in 2008. And this is a commercial property, but from what I can tell, these are just residential units. kind of humid right now in the low 70s. Probably makes it feel a little hotter with the humidity. Gonna be in the 80s for the weekend. Looking forward to that. Another bug on the heat pump. Alright, this will be the last live video of these heat pumps for now, and I will go back to just the still photos for the mashup. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.